Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? If yes, please give me a thumbs up. Yes, okay, thank you, Patrick. Veronica. All right, thank you, Krista. 29, we're waiting for another 4 to join us and scan their attendance. Thank you, Lau, Veronica. Right, we have 33 total for this class. Yeah, and if you happen to know any of them, please ask them to scan their attendance now. All right. Okay, right. Welcome back to the faculty. Welcome to TMS2824 Web-based System Development. Okay, this is the ELIP page for the subject. Make sure that you are having the same link and the same screen like mine. If you have your laptop ready, I mean the browser ready, you may log on to ELIP and you should be able to see the same graphic design like mine. Okay. All right, so very quickly, the first agenda is I need you to introduce yourself. So very simple and quick activity. Just click this button, plus. At the subject column or subject field, type your name, example, Syahrul. And write something fantastic. Tell me briefly about yourself, where you're from. Yeah, and originally your hometown, your district, your state. Yeah, I'm from Tabong, Sarawak. Tabong is in Betong Division. So, yeah, what else? I want to tell you about. So currently of course, I'm a lecturer at Faculty of Computer Science and IT, but currently I stay in Samariang, Kuching, Putrajaya. Any of you here are living in Samariang? If you stay at the hostel, just tell me you are staying at the college. Yeah, originally. Then if you have your personal website, you may paste it here. I have one. It's not a website, it's some sort of a link to Linktree. Okay, this is my personal link to my Unimas Expert link to Google Scholar. Google Scholar is the link where you can find my publication. Scopus is the database for publication. Same as Web of Science. I have Science Profile, ORCID, ResearchGate, for research, LinkedIn for my social media and YouTube account. This is one example. So you just paste it here. And say something to your friend. Hello, blah, blah, blah. Okay, then click publish. All right, I'm waiting for the first person. Maybe I give you 3-4 minutes for this activity. All right, thank you, Rebecca. Rebecca, I need one photo. Any suitable photo. Make sure the photo is suitable and I can remember your name and your face. Okay. You may edit the posting, upload one photo. You may use your profile photo on social media if the photo is appropriate. Thank you, Wong Go and Ting. Also, I need your photo. All right, nice photo, Wong. All right, Nabil. Nabil, I need your photo as well. Nice to know that you are also in Samariang. I live in Samariang Kampong, Samariang traffic light, and yours is a bit further towards Santubong. Okay, we have Jaslyn. Jaslyn, Kuching, which area? Rebecca also, which area in Kuching? I think I've explored 90% of Kuching. And while waiting for the rest of your friend to upload their photo, feel free to say hello to your friends through LinkedIn. Through Padlet. There's anonymous there. Anonymous comment. So pretty. Hello. All right. Okay. Nawang is from Kuching. Maybe your which sub-district, which area? Okay, thank you. Batu 9.5. Okay, thank you, America. And that is from Ipoh. Right, thank you, Maria. Ipoh. Maria and Daniel are from Ipoh. So you met before you joined Unimas, or you met here while you study or you further your study at Unimas. Okay, Veronica is from Nimbang. Thank you, Veronica. Raflesia Kalesh. Right, we have 8 here. Another couples of you. So online for today, we just meet like this. But next week, hopefully, we can start our first coding session in our lab, network 2 lab. Thank you, Nabil Hafiz. Lee is from Serike. Okay, hi Lee. Kabong and Serike is not that far, around maybe 1.5 hour or 2 hour journey. Bintango, okay, thank you, Shafika. All right. Another. If you have done, just say hello to your friend. Just type in the comment box. Right, I have somebody from my kampong here. Assalamualaikum, Hazwan. Can you hear me? Hazwan? I wanna have a chit chat with you, Hazwan. Could you please switch on your microphone?
Hello, sir.
Hello, apa khabar tak?
Sehat-sehat.
Okay, the rest of you just need to listen because my kampong is not far from Hazwan's kampong. Mak kami orang Sesang.
Oh,
So kita nak orang kampong orang Nyaboh lah.
nyampu lah.
Okay. Sekolah menengah di kampong.
Si, Miki.
Di Kuching. Sekolah sains.
Oh, sains.
Sekolah menengah sains. Oh, okay. Nampaknya kita sama. My primary school was in Saratok, but I went to Sekolah Menengah Sains Miri. It's a boarding school for the rest of you. If you never knew about Sains Miri, it's a boarding school. The first ever in Sarawak, Hazwan. The first ever in Sarawak. Second one is Sains Kuching. Betul, Hazwan?
Sains Kuching.
Another one is Kuching Utara. So Azwan, now you live in the campus or outside?
Outside.
Where do you live now? Are you still in Kampong now?
No,
Are you
no.
still in Jambu now? All right.
Uh,
Okay. So next week we can meet face to face, and please introduce yourself.
okay.
Okay, thank you. We have Naksatra from Kulai. Hi, how to call you Satra? Is it okay? Hi, Satra. Can you hear me? From Kulai Johor. Okay. I studied in Skudai. Skudai and Kulai is not that far, around maybe 15 minutes. The border between Skudai and Kulai, half an hour. I went to UTM Skudai, University Technology Malaysia, Skudai Johor. Right. Yeah. Well, we have one from Sabah. Right. Raf. Okay, Raf is from Jamarahan. Okay. Currently, luckily you live in the college. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in the Jamarahan every day. Well, okay, who else? Vanessa Batukawa, Krista Tamparuli, Joanna from Batukawa as well. From Tabuan, Patrick. Okay, Patrick. Okay, never mind. So if you're taking your photo, that should be no problem. Lau from Cebu, Dayang Nadira from Terengganu. Dayang, are you originally from Terengganu? I know Dayang is from Sarawak.
Yes.
So you live in Terengganu, or your family is in Terengganu? Dayang. Okay, Tanzisia, just leave your name on top. The rest you type underneath. At the subject title, you put your name. You cut and paste and edit it. Then the rest of the text should be underneath your photo. And nice flower as well. Ibnu from Sato. Ibnu Amirul, which area? Which kampung? Kampung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ibnu Amirul. Jalan Raba. Jalan Raba. Okay, right. So it's still Sato area lah. Okay, thank you, Michelle from Kuching. Izian, which area in Kelantan? Which district?
Ketere.
It's towards Terengganu, right?
Yeah.
Near it. A bit confused between Ketere and Kerteh in Terengganu. Almost similar name. Okay. Karin from Kuching. Okay. Done, everyone? Right. Nice to meet you online. I look forward to see you face to face next week, next Monday. Okay. Anyone else? Karin, Izian, Michelle, Ibnu, Tan, Lau, Dayang, Patrick, Sitrin, Shafika, Joanne. Is it correct, Joanne? Krista, Vanessa, Nabil, Jesslyn, Wong, Lee, Ralph, Azwan, Vincent from Kuching. Hi, Vincent. Where is it, Vincent? Is it in Damai Beach? Damai Santubong? Ahmad Ame. Ame is from Selangor. Okay, Singapore. Right. Okay, so make sure your photo is here, so at least I can memorize your face, at least for this semester. Better would be beyond the subject, beyond the semester. Okay, done for this introductory session. Right, in the chat box, I want you to ask anything about me. Of course, I will not answer any question that are not not appropriate, no need to be answered. Okay, in the chat box, you may type any questions about me, and I'll reply, I'll respond. Or you may switch on your webcam or microphone and ask directly. Okay, I'm waiting for the first 3 questions in the chat box. Any question, any related question, of course. Any suitable questions? Oh, sure, Patrick, don't worry, you will pass the subject. But to get A is a bit hard. A minus, B plus, B minus, I can guarantee. Fail, maybe not, unless you don't submit, you are not submitting any of the assignments. Yes, thank you. I like futsal, football. I play football every week at the Unimas. I play futsal every week at Unimas Sports Complex. I played golf once, but no more now. It's a bit time consuming to play, to finish 18 holes of golf. Okay, golf and futsal. Okay, thank you, Wong. Okay, any other questions, please? Do not hesitate to ask. You ask now, but next week you may ask again anything, especially related to my background as a lecturer. I've told you that I'm from Sarawak. Then I studied in Miri primary school. Then further my study at the first degree at UTM Johor. Then second degree at University of Bradford in the UK. Okay, one more questions in the chat box. Anyone? Tanyalah, janganlah malu. Okay, thank you, Daniel. Good question. TS stands for professional technologist. So as a computer scientist, we are not engineer. For engineer, there is an abbreviation for IR. It's a professional license given by MBOT, MBOT, Malaysian Board of Technologists. For those who are having experience working with technology, like me. So I've been working with technology, of course, web technology, computer technology for the last 20 years or so. So they awarded me TS title. I can use it in front of my name, TS. So if you want to pronounce it, you may call me. No, it's not Tan Sri. Maybe the next 5-10 years, maybe the next 10 years, Tan Sri Syahrul. Okay, thank you, Patrick. Right, Veronica. Also interesting question. I've been working with Unimas since 2001, now 2022, so more than 20 years now. I've been teaching web-based for the last 5 years or so. But of course, in multimedia computing subject, I've been teaching lots related to computing, multimedia computing. Okay, Fakhrul also from Kuching. Which area, Fakhrul? Kampung ni? Kevin, you should edit your photo, your name on the top, then description underneath it. Okay, done, everyone. Kevin, Karen, Fakhrul, Nizam, Michelle. Don't worry about the privacy of your photo and your name. This Padlet link is closed only for us. Don't share it to the rest of the world. Okay, done for this first session. Okay. Next, another quick survey. Click that survey 1, your prior knowledge on web-based programming. Click it and answer the survey quickly, maybe 1 or 2 minutes for this activity. Survey 1. Okay, 14 has responded. Thank you. The survey is very important for me to know your current ability, current competence in using these tools so that I can tailor-make and suit my way of teaching in terms of the speed, in terms of delivery, in terms of focus. We are going to study HTML. At the moment, 14 of you have, I think it's a bit low level, or we call it novice level of knowledge. CSS, JavaScript, SQL, okay, 24 at the moment. SQL better than HTML, amazingly. PHP higher than HTML. I think HTML is a basic one, and of course it's a basic one. For you will use this skill in your final year, fourth year, for your final year project. Don't know yet. Okay, never mind. For career, still don't know yet. Okay, no worries. (24, 33). Okay, done. So right, thank you for taking the this activity, taking part in this activity. No worries. All that's why you are taking this course. If all of you are filling the form to the expert level, so you don't have to take the course, right? Okay, done. Thank you very much. All right, next. Okay, let me know. Now, can you get access to the file? Yes. Okay, we have one anonymous unicorn here. Where's the rest of you? Okay, two, right. So how to do with this one? Very quickly, since most of you are here, there are 33 slides. Very quickly, you just pick any main topics that you are interested in, and very quickly type your name here, just to book that slide. Simple. Okay. So if you want to book history of early computing, you can replace my name, Syahrul. There are 33 slides. All of you will get one. No worries. PHP, JavaScript, CSS. Just type your name in the click to add text and add your name. Who wants to answer this question? Who controls the internet? So just type your name here. These are the headings only. Don't worry. The headings for you to just type your name. Distributed computing, client server computing, cloud computing, Hijaz. Okay, right. Done. So if you see the slide has been booked by somebody, please do not delete their name. Please do not replace their name with your name, because there are another remaining slides. Okay, SQL Python, Vincent PHP, JavaScript still empty, CSS still empty, Michelle HTML simple. Okay. Netiquette Patrick. Okay, good. Easy topic, Patrick. Backend, what backend? Backend programming, backend web development, full stack developer. I know you haven't heard about it. That's why I asked you to come up with this activity. Name, ISP, TCP, web server. Anyone? Web server. Web page. Also simple topic, simple title. What are ways to access internet? Easy question. Just type your name. You don't have to log in because the name here are anonymous animal, anonymous bat, anonymous anteater, badger, buffalo. Okay. Dayang internet. The question is for Dayang is that internet equal to World Wide Web? What's your opinion there? I did the same thing. Jesslyn, www World Wide Web. LAN 1 and MAN, Veronica. Internet architecture, anyone? Client server computing, Karen, okay. Distributed computing, anyone? Personal computing. History of early computing. Who wants to take it? I'm not going to take it. All right. Okay, are you ready? So for this activity, each of you, I want you to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT, if you never use it, try to use it for this activity. Register your account first. It's an open AI tool for you to search information. Simple activity, just copy it and type in ChatGPT. But on ChatGPT, you need to be very careful because it will give you a rubbish answer if you give rubbish input. So be careful. Be friend with ChatGPT. Hello, ChatGPT. How are you? Have a nice chatting session. Start with a good prompt. This skill is very important. It's called prompt engineering. You ask ChatGPT, please tell me briefly history of early computing technology. So how brief, how long, you want it in paragraph, in bullet point. I leave it to you to interact with ChatGPT. So each of you are only allowed to add one more slide. So 2 slides for each of you. Use bullet point only, please. Bullet point only. Of course, while you have a chatting session with ChatGPT, it will give you lots of text. But for this purpose, bullet point only and paste here your answer, your whatever you've learned from ChatGPT, paste it here. I would prefer maybe the first slide for text, second slide for any images, logo, diagram, go for technical diagram to summarize your idea. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Deadline next week before our class. All right, question. Anyone, please ask now. Half an hour for today is good enough for just for you to have a warm-up session for this topic. Okay, any of you needs to know anything about this activity? It's ungraded, no marks, but of course I would love to get the input from you. Just simply type your answer here. Whatever you learn from ChatGPT, paste it here. Of course, you need to paraphrase and make it nicer, make it more humanly, and don't rely on that robot, AI robot. So, okay. The rule is only 2 slides maximum for each of you. Make it 2 last now. Each of you to. Patrick, you can be creative, but show me your creativity through maybe you draw one diagram, summary diagram. Don't download any diagrams and put it here. That means you are not creative. Limited to that. The rest, just leave it white like this, blank like this. Simple, I mean, a simple white background, dark blue text. Okay, thank you, Patrick. Any other questions? You still have time. You still have half an hour. Sorry, 1 hour and a half. If you are not playing football, futsal, or yeah. And okay, 1 minute. you are not going for sport, it is still raining. You may spend another maybe, I think, through using ChatGPT, you can get the answer in less than 5 minutes. Paste the answer here and done. Boom. Of course, I want you to interpret the answer. Don't cut and paste everything. Attendance. Okay, anyone? Another 4 of you. Okay, Tan, Ahmad Amir, another 2. So class, 2 hours for Monday. You still got time. I think better for you to just complete it, finish it, and forget about it. And we'll have the presentation next week. Each of you will present your 2 slides. Is it okay? Nabil, you need the manual. Okay. Anyone else who needs a manual key in from me? Below, okay. Kevin, are you here? Kevin Wong, King Yu. Kevin, if yes, say yes, I will click set attendance. Okay, I'll do it for you, set attendance. All right. Thank you, everyone. Congratulations for 100% perfect attendance for today. See you next week. So 2 tasks for this week. This one. Welcome, Faris. Faris from Bintulu. Okay. First task is to introduce yourself. Done. Second task was the survey. Done. Third task is this one. Okay. Ngawang, done. Okay. Thank you, Ngawang. Okay, you may enjoy the rest of the day. Sorry, Ngawang, this is too lengthy and too many texts. I want you to cut everything straight to the point, bullet points only, maybe 7, 8 words per line. On the second slide, you may put the logo of Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckGo, for example. Okay. Again, for the rest of you, be careful. Whatever ChatGPT gives you, I want the keyword only, key point only, because next week we're going to present verbally. Okay, thank you. Now, who else? Done. Loud. This is good. Again, I don't like this type of text. Okay. The best is you reword it using your own voice, your own interpretation. Don't worry if you are wrong. You can ask ChatGPT again. Please, are you sure? Please verify it to me. Verify it for me, then you'll present it next week. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you next week.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.